Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. I always forget to say this, so I just wanted to say it before I start this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. Got a haul for you. I don't know how much of I'm going to do it today. This is from Five Below. So those of y'all that have Five Below, this is a photo printed canvas. It's a 12 by 16 or a 30 by 40. 12 plus years with photo printed frame. Diamond painting and classic frame. And same thing, contents. You get the colors, the instructions, the bolt, the wax, the pen, with photo printed classic frame on a wooden canvas. Oh, wooden canvas. Okay. Let's get this thing out of here. Move the other one to the side. Whoops, sorry, I didn't realize I was bumping y'all. Oh. Okay. So this is not going to have an inventory sheet on it because it is on a wood canvas. And that's the diamond painting instructions, the image, and that. And it's just a photo frame. It's not an actual frame itself. It is finished. Okay, I guess I'll leave that there. Pretty sticky. As you can see, maybe not. Let me bring it down. The drill field is clear. So bring it back out. You get the little pink clear bolt, clear wax, and a pink pen with a single placer only. And then that's 0 or 01. Let me do it this way. So that's the colors that goes in it. So I'll put this one down there. I'm not going to show you the colors on the second one. I'll just show you the canvas. It looks like some kind of tower. I'm not going to embarrass myself and say what kind, because I don't know. Goodness. Then this one's got, let's see, I didn't count the other one, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 colors. And this is weird. Let me check this out. I'm not sure about this, but it's got a snowflake. I think it's just a regular drill, but it's got a snowflake. Is the symbol. Heck, I'll just go ahead and show you. It ain't gonna hurt me. And I will try to cut that crinkle out, so y'all don't have to hear it. See what I'm talking about, that snowflake? Well, it's not a snowflake, but... Well, heck, it's got the same one right there. Oh, it's just because it's white. Duh. This one's got a coral-looking color, wax, pen, and tray. Oops. Wait. Okay, it is the gritters for this one. Go ahead and put this one back up, because I've got one more thing I'm going to show you in this haul. Up, fumble fingers. And I'm knocking stuff on the floor. Okay. I did get this for $5. Adjustable art board with storage drawer. Dawnmarie and I went over there and they didn't have them at our store. So we went over there looking for some of the other paintings that we had seen. But our store just didn't have them. And I robbed some boxes and got the diamond paintings out. And then this, I seen this and I'm like, are these $5? Huh. Okay, where's the drawer? Right here. Isn't that cool? For $5? You can't beat that. I love the smell of it. It's got like a wood smell. But yeah, this is at Five Below. This is y'all, those of y'all in the United States gonna need to go check them out. But that's all I've got in this video. I do have some more stuff from Five Below and Hobby Lobby coming. But I'm trying to make these last because I'm having surgery on the 11th of November. And I want to have y'all some videos out to watch. So y'all do the YouTube things, like, share, comment, watch, whatever. I'm trying to get to 2,000. I'm stuck at 1548. And my watch hours. I'm not trying to monetize because I'm not going to monetize and have y'all have to watch ads because I hate ads myself, and I wouldn't subject y'all to them. This YouTube is not about making money. It is about sharing my love of diamond painting. No drama over on Nana's channel. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.